Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this is the official Samsung case. It's a silicone cover case with the S Pen. Wanted to check this out for a while, and we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now you can get this from a number of places. You get it from Best Buy, you get it from Samsung, and you can get it from Amazon. Now, Samsung and Amazon are out. Best Buy did have one. All right, now I was able to get the one I have because when I pre-ordered the Galaxy S21, I was able to get it as part of a gift from Samsung. All right, now $69.99, you get the case and the pen. All right, so that's why it's a little bit expensive. The pen costs $40, and the pen costs $40, and the case costs about $30. All right, so that's what you get right there. Now you can find a little bit cheaper if you shop around. All right, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so here's the box. It's a silicone cover with S Pen, Galaxy S21 Ultra. That's the only one that comes with works with the S Pen. See that pen right there? Nothing much else on the back. A little bit of information there. It says Ultra Slim. So you just pull up the box like this, and you can take out the case. All right, now, let's take out the pen as well, but we set that to the side for right now. All right, let's get that out the way there. All right, a little bit of cardboard with instructions. You don't need that. Now here's the silicone case right here. All right, now you got that silicone feel. It's nice and feels rubbery, and it's got some grip. It's not slippery. Now I can see right now the sides right here by the buttons are real thin. And also at the bottom, I saw that with some reviews from other YouTubers right in this area right here. It's real soft. This is a little more rigid on the sides here, or otherwise. You got your buttons for your mic, and you got your speaker and your charging port right there. That's going to work well because it's Samsung. And you got your little groove for the S Pen. All right, Samsung branding right there, and the camera is covered and it's raised up, so no problem there. All right. Now the one thing about these cases here, sometimes they get smudgy and they pick up lint too. So now I'm not getting a lot of smudge right now, but we'll see. All right, now the case doesn't feel too big without the, but I'm not sure if this is something you want to use full time. Now this is the pen right here. As you can see, it's got the Samsung branding right there. You got a little button right here to activate it, and it's taller than the S Pen on the Note. All right, so that's the other thing that's you're probably gonna like, right? Is that it is bigger than the Note S Pen. So this is a comparison right here. So that's pretty good size right there. All right, that's what you're looking at in the difference there. So this is going to feel a lot better writing with this, okay, than this right here. Even though I love this S Pen on the Note, okay. Now you just put the pen inside right here, and I think it goes in flat like that. It fits in there pretty nicely. Now you take it out with this groove right here, so it's not hard to get it out. You just put it back in there. So it works pretty well. Give you a little more, you got to add a little more bulk to the side of the case right here, but that's to be expected to put the S Pen in there. All right, let's get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. All right, we have the device right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside. Now everything fits well because it's Samsung, of course, and the volume button works right there, so the buttons work well, no problem there. Now the case doesn't feel too bad, even though it's a little wider than normal. Thankfully this phone is not as wide as the S20 or the Note 20, so it's not too bad. Now I don't think I'll use this case full time, but when I am at work, because I like to take notes, I'll use this because you got this S Pen that works right here. Okay, all right, let's see here. So you can get a note there, no problem, it works well. Okay, no problem there with the S Pen. Now I'll go over some features of the S Pen later on, but just wanted to show you this case and how it works. And it doesn't look too bad, doesn't feel too bad. All right, so just pop this back in and you're good to go. You got your pen in your case right there. Now as you can see, the camera is well protected, no problem there. And you got your mic holes lined up. That's Samsung. Everything fits on the bottom, no problem there. Okay, and you got a little bit of a lip here. It's very soft down here in the right side, on this side right here. So that's interesting. and then you got a little bit of a lip here. Not too much. It's just right because Samsung made it. So just come up high enough. All right. Not sure if you can use a screen protector on this, but you can try it. But it's not bad. It's not a thick case, you know, thick wise, but it's wide. It's a little bit wider than normal, and it's not too, but it's not too bad. Okay. Yeah, I think you can work with it. It's not a deal breaker. Okay. So pretty ingenious way for Samsung to get that S Pen in there, bigger S Pen, and I think you're gonna like that. Let's check out wireless charger and see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. So it picks up wireless charge, no problem. That's Samsung product, so no problem there. Let's slide this up, see how it works standing up. Okay, so wireless charge right there as well, no problem. Let's see how it works laying down. All right, so it still picks it up, no problem there, okay? Okay, so that was a quick look at the official Samsung case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the silicone case with the S Pen. Works pretty well, not a bad case, feels good in the hand. Not too bulky, it's not too bulky, so I think you can work with it, all right? Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.